Okay, so just thought I would do a quick review with adjectives. The second half of this week is practicing the position of adjectives, and the rules for this are outlined on page 74 in the Henley book. And exercise 85 really works on this, and that's on page 67 in your workspace. So, the main thing to remember is that quantity adjectives go before the noun and quality goes after. So remember, quantity before quality, that's your little memory clue for you. So when we're doing this time we're going from English to Latin. So it's super helpful when there's a preposition. So what does with mean in Latin?
With means
Cum.
cum.
And does it govern? All our prepositions govern, so what does it govern?
The accusative? No, the ablative.
Governs the ablative. And so that means our noun also has to be ablative. And we know soldiers is plural. So I just need to know the gender. What's the gender of soldiers? Masculine.
Yeah.
What is the Latin noun for soldiers? Miles, militus. Don't judge me for my macaron usage if I get it wrong. For now, I'm just trying to be quick. So miles, militus. And then that means this has to be the case for our adjective. And what is the Latin adjective for many? Just looked in my book. Multus aum. And I can write multus because it's plural, or because it's masculine, right? So now I just have to figure out what these endings are. What declension is soldiers? Miles militus is, since it's militus, it's third declension. But this is a first, second declension adjective in the masculine, so it's going to pull from second declension masculine endings. So, if we think through to get to the ablative plural, what's the ablative plural ending for this? Stem is this. Various is, ema, ace, ibis, ace, ibis. So militivus.
Wait, what?
Plural, ablative.
Oh, ablative.
Right? Now, many is going to have a different ending because it's a first, second declension adjective. There's my stem. Again, I'm going to think through. Us, e-o-m-o, e-orum, is, os, is. Cum multis militibus. Now I have to think, is many telling me quantity or quality? Many is an amount, so it's telling me quantity. So this needs to go before, quantity before quality. So it translates to cum multis militibus. Ta-da! And that's what you do over and over. Take the time, strongly encourage taking the time to parse it out now, because later when you're doing long sentences with adjectives that are in between many nouns, it will make it a lot quicker to figure out what adjective goes with what noun. So I hope that that's helpful. Why don't you go ahead and write that in your book? It's number 1.